Marlon Samuels exposes Yanique the Curvy Diva for trying to make friends with him. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So people, if you don't follow me long enough, you don't know the story between Marlon and Yanique the Curvy Diva. They used to date, they broke up, they had a big blowout on the internet, and it seems like they went their separate ways. However, lately, you know, I see Yanique make little fun about Marlon pan her live and them thing there, which tell me say she don't have no hard feelings towards him. But can we say the same for Marlon? Marlon doesn't seem like he's having that kind of feeling towards Yanique. You see what I say? And why I say that, people? Because he was on his live. I may have a little clip for sure now. Let's get to the video with Marlon exposing Yanique.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You get to him? No, I never call him back.
No, I never call him back.
Because he link me back, you know. Never say.
Yeah,
Because I tell him, say, yeah, check for him and whatever.
Yeah, check for me. I call me now and say a phone call. Yeah, call me for.
Say, yo, I'm ready to check. But you know them, you know I go. You know, say, I'm hurt by everything, you see me? Oh, boy.
Ah, boy.
So yes, people, we can definitely establish that is Yanique voice, right? And the person we are trying to mediate, you hear what him say? He must say, yo, me tell him, you know, but you know the man stay, the man hurt by everything. I want to definitely see how Marlon react to that. Now, in all fairness, other than what they on the internet, we don't know where Yanique and Marlon have. Like, you know what I mean? Then they on the internet, they go back and forth with each other. They say, I go sue her and all these things because she talk about things about him on radio, my boss, so she can't cook all of these things. Beyond that, me don't know what happened. Can't say him fi forgive her. You know what I mean? That's personal thing. That's him reason and him know why him act like that. However, me I go say, me don't think Yanique wrong for reach out neither. She, you know what I mean? This is a mature move on Yanique's side. Like she just know say, yo, me and you used to date, me and you had a problem and whatever. Put that in the past. Let's just move on. Me don't think she want to be friends and hang out with him and Ray. She just want to know say, yo, it's not that thing between me and Marlon. You know what I mean? We're not enemies. You see me? Which is kind of a professional move by Yanique part, me I go say. But like me say, people, me don't know, he must know why him not forgive her. Now, the question I want to ask you know, people, have you ever been in a situation like this where you break up with someone, you know what I mean, bitterly, and you just hate them where you can't forgive them? Or, you know what I mean, you know, had a bad breakup, but you still find it in your heart and say, you know what, big people think, move on, you know what I mean? Here when I see you, call you for nothing or whatever. You saw me, I say, more want to tell me that in the comment section. Now, people, let's talk about Owen Knibbs. I'm going to try to make this concise as possible, right? So, Owen Knibbs' story is this. Owen Knibbs did a song about 30 years ago, roughly 30 years ago, right? And, you know what I mean, the man that sing the song, never think nothing of it. Record put out, him say him getting some loose contact with the producer and things, so him never think nothing of the song. People, I don't know, say the song was a big hit song in a Japan and all, about 30 years later, him find out. Seeing, the man that say him left him go do all kind of job, him go teach, me think him saying do like a masonry and all them kind of something here within that 30-year span, you know, before him actually find out, say, him record was a big hit record around the world, people. So now, Owen Knibbs just pick up back the whip and say, yo, a music a thing there, because what is due to Caesar, you have to give to Caesar, right? Them say, man, we're born for Enki and Joan, and it look like a music is Owen Knibbs calling. So, when him find out that and find out, say, the record when him do so many years ago was a big hit record, the man just take up back the music whip, and now him have a brand new song called What a Woman's Worth. So listen to this song, people. It's worth giving a listening ear. Listen to this right now. Thank you.